Symmetry and patterns. Symmetry. Shapes that can be cut in half and both sides look identical. These shapes are called symmetrical figures. All these figures are symmetrical in shape. The line that divides the shape into two equal parts is called the line of symmetry. It can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonally made. The shapes and figures that do not divide into equal halves are called non-symmetrical or asymmetrical figures. There are various geometrical shapes that have multiple lines of symmetry. Look at these figures. A square can have 4 lines of symmetry. A pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. A circle can have any number of lines of symmetry. One interesting feature of symmetrical figures is that you can draw one half, and the other half can be precisely mirrored just by looking at it. Let us draw the other half of the given shape. It should be the opposite of the shape as shown on the screen. Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is the property that a shape possesses when it looks the same after rotating it at a certain fixed angle. Let us rotate the shape to 180 degrees. Observe that the shape looks the same. Now let us rotate the shape to 270 degrees. Observe that the shape again looks the same. We again rotate the shape to 360 degrees and we observe that the shape remains the same. Rotate the letter U by quarter and half turn. So, after rotation at quarter turn it will look like this. After rotating it at half turn it will move like this. Patterns. Patterns are created by repeating shapes, objects, or numbers in a sequence. Look at the pattern. Which shapes would come next? Here, the pattern is getting repeated after every third design. Thus, the next shapes are these. Number patterns. Find the upcoming numbers in the pattern. As the numbers in the sequence are increasing by 3. The next numbers in the sequence would be 20 and 23. Square numbers. If a number is multiplied with itself, the product results in a square number. Let us draw dots in 3 rows and 3 columns to show this multiplication sentence. Observe that the shape of the arrangement of dots is a square. Thus, the number 9 is a square number. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are those whole numbers which lead to the formation of a triangle. Let us draw dots in this manner to show this addition sentence. Observe the shape of the arrangement of dots. It is forming a triangle. Thus, the number 6 is a triangular number.